Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share stories on Telegram desktop using your PC. If you want to post photos or videos as stories directly from your computer, we will walk you through each step to make it simple and easy. Let's get started. On your Telegram dashboard, we will click the three lines in the upper left corner. From here, you will see My Stories. Just click My Stories. Inside, you can add stories by clicking the three lines and selecting Add Stories. You may not see Add Stories or the plus sign here. That is because this feature is only available to premium users. Only premium users on Telegram can post stories on Telegram. It is a premium-only feature. If you are a premium user, you can find it right here. You will see the plus sign, and from there, you can select your photos or videos and share them. That's all there is to it. You have now learned how to share stories on Telegram using your PC. Go ahead and start posting updates and sharing moments with your contacts right from your computer.